Body up. Yeah, get them up. Everybody up. Love it look. Yeah, get them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we got some coilovers. We're gonna sell these today. We already let go of the front bumper already, as I said in the previous video. And I also sell the pure stage 2 turbos, and also I sold some other things too. But today these coilovers gonna go on one of my customers' car. So when he comes, I'm gonna put it on. But yeah, guys, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. But first and foremost, as I said before, if y'all need a motor, we got a LT motor right here, and I got the transmission too. Everything is good. I just take it out of this because you know, the accident. But I got a LTS motor right here with 53,000 miles on it. So yeah, I'm just setting up these real quick, so when he comes I could just do the job quick and get it over with. But also I got some subframe selling, and also those stock turbos right there, somebody gonna come pick them up. So yeah, guys, also this bumper is not mine, it's for the homie. You're gonna pick it up today when he come for these coilovers. But yeah, guys, let's get it. I'm gonna pick up at the camera when he comes. Okay, guys, so this is the car right here. I already put on the two fronts, and I also put on the rear over this side. I also put on the bumper frame, put on this side already. So I'm gonna do the next side now. Come up. Yeah, you good right there. Oh yeah, more. Alright. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do this side now. Put this coilover in, then that's it. Okay, guys, so I just got done with this side. As you guys can see, shit, at a nice height. Probably gonna have to drop this one a little bit more. But yeah, guys, that's how it be, man. Reverse. Yeah, so only drop it a little bit. So I'm gonna adjust the front driver side just a little bit again, and then that's it. Okay, guys, so that's how it's looking right now. The coilover is on it. We didn't drop it too far, we just drop it a little bit. Let me show you guys around this side. We just drop it just a little bit, not too low, because we don't need it to be rubbing. But yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one.